I'm Naman Maya from Batch 5 and I'm here to present our project titled Philos-Moving from real to real life. In this age of connectivity, where we are more connected than ever before, yet we are disconnected. We have more friends and followers on social media rather than real life friends to whom we can turn to. We spend our time swiping through social media feeds rather than actually going out and spending time with real people. Well, have you ever moved to a new city and found yourself lonely? Or is there nobody to travel to new places with or to sit next to at lunch? Well, Philos is a platform meant to solve this problem. It's an iOS and Android application and also web application for those who don't have access to a mobile device, where you can go ahead, log in, create a profile, match with exciting new people, and spend fantastic time with them.
So hey guys, it's Naman again. So now I'm going to give you a demonstration of the working of the website. So let's begin with the about page. So here you can find out what we do and how we do it. So philos is a Greek word meaning friend, and we use k-mean clustering algorithm to match our users into groups. So moving on to the start page or the home page, here you can enter the existing credentials if you have an account, or otherwise you can just click on the sign up button to create a new one. So yeah, we're gonna create a dummy account. We'll call it new user, and you need to be 18 above in order to use the website. So as of now, we're just gonna enter 18. So coming to the phone number, for as of now, we're just gonna enter any 10-digit number, and then we need to select an email ID. So calling it new user 1. You need to select a password. Right now I'm just choosing a very simple password, but choosing a strong password is really important. So this is the about yourself section where you can just enter anything you want to tell the world about yourself. So I'm just gonna enter I love making music. So now you need to accept the terms and conditions of the website in order to move on to the next pages. So you need to represent yourself truthfully, and of course terms and conditions have to be accepted by all users. So I'm just going to click on the checkbox, and only a few more steps left. So here you can select a profile picture. So I'm just going to select a pre-downloaded image from the internet. Then you need to answer some of the basic questions about yourself. Just going to skip this one as of now. Then you can select a profession, or if you're a student, your field of study. As of now, we're just going to leave it to profession and the default option. So submitting the data, you'll get an alert that the data has been received by a service. Then you can just click on OK, and we're just going to log in with a dummy account that we'd already created. Entering the credentials, and if your login is successful, you can see an alert that you have been logged in successfully. So going to the profile page, you can see the image response from the server. The selected profile picture is here, the user's name, email ID, and some questions that they answered before. Since this is the dummy account, we had entered any data that we felt like at the time of creating it. So you can move on to the chat page and you can converse with other members in real time. There's a members button here. If you click on it, you can see all the members in that particular group. So just sending a message to the group saying hello guys. So as you can see, there's an instant response from the server. Now I'm just gonna hand over it to my team member Devashish, who's gonna demonstrate the application functioning. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Devashish. I am pursuing BTech CSE from Bennett University. So I am here to continue with the mobile application part. I have used React Native to build a cross-platform application that would work both on iOS and Android devices. The app will share the common functionality with the website, but it is more optimized for a smartphone. The app will enhance the user experience when user is going to use that application. So now I am going to give you a demonstration of my application that I have built using React Native. Hi everyone, Devashish again. So we are starting with the demonstration of our cross-platform application. So when you click this icon, then there is splash screen will appear with our logo. After that, start screen will appear, which have two options, either to log in or to sign up. For demonstration purpose, I will start from the sign up part. So I am given the demonstration only, so that's why I am going to use some dummy details. For example, the first name is demo, last name is account. This has your age should be 18 or above that for using this, so I am using 18. After this, as acc1 @gmail.com, the 123, you have to give the strong password for the dummy purpose. I am just using simple password. In this, you have to provide your 10-digit mobile number. As it's a demonstration, I am just giving a 10-digit number, any. In this, you have to fill about yourself, that is, I am very curious kind of person. So you can fill about yourself. After that, you can click on next. Then you will move to a questionnaire. In this questionnaire, you have to answer all these questions. These are all the mandatory questions, but as the demo purpose, I am just keeping this question skip. You can't leave it empty. If you leave it empty, then you will be unable to move on to next page. That's why I am writing skip on all these. After skipping, you after giving answer to all these questions, then you have to click next. This is the profile pic page, where you have to select your profile pic. For example, if you have on your phone, then you can select by this, but if you don't want to give your profile image, then you also move to submit your details without profile page. That will not be a problem. So I am submitting the details. Okay, this will pop-up will appear if your account is registered. So we have registered this account. To see you all the functionality of the app, I am going to log in with another account which have everything activated in this. For example, ir@gmail.com, and the password, its password is also 123. I just log in with the account. He has just filled details. It means he has first name, image address, ir@gmail.com, and this. And you can, after this, you can chat with anyone, with the person in group you want. For that, you have to click chat. After that, your chat will be loaded. If you send any message from here, hi, it will send to the person who are in this group. That see, I've just sent a hi message from here. That's it about our cross platform application. Now Nischith will tell you about the backend stuff that we use to create these app and website. So thank you everyone.
Hi, myself Nischith. I am currently a second year BTech student. I was part of backend development, which includes server-side programming and managing databases. Every software or an application has a bunch of things going on in the background. Like when you want to send an email, it is important that it reaches the person whom you want it to send. Even in our application, many HTTP requests are being sent to the server. The server handles it and fetches the required information and sends back the response. We have used virtual private server for hosting web contents. Apache Web Server software was used to deliver web content through internet. The server-side application was written in JavaScript using node.js environment. Node.js provides an event-driven non-blocking, that is asynchronous input-output and cross-platform runtime environment for building highly scalable server-side application using JavaScript. We have also used Express.js, which is a backend web application framework for Node.js. Using Express, we have built a RESTful API on the backend web application. To achieve real-time chat in our application, we have used socket.io, which enables real-time bidirectional communication between servers and web clients. All the users' data and chats have been stored and managed using MySQL database. Making friends has a lot of advantages, like it helps us in building our confidence. It helps us to meet new people with same interests. And Philos is an app which is built for this. And lastly, we would like to thank all the people who has helped us in the course of this project.